Hi there. In this session, we'll be looking at the 3D of facilitation. Remember, I shared about the secret sauce of facilitation. This is our own secret sauce, the 3D of facilitation. And the first D is designing. The 3Ds are design, delivery, and discovery. These 3Ds are the 3D dimension of facilitation according to Scientia partners. Now, this 3D of facilitation, what are the things you do? During the designing stage, you are actually curating your facilitation sessions, and this involves a lot of things. The next thing you do after all the activities in curation is delivery. How do you deliver? And then finally, what do you want your participants to discover? Because there must be a discovery journey, and whatever they discover, they would share at the end of the session. During the session also, they will share part of it. So how do you manage them? So let's look at the 3D of facilitation, starting with design. How do you curate your facilitation sessions? How do you curate? The first D in the 3D is design. How do you create facilitation sessions? What are the things you do when you want to facilitate a session? The first thing is know your audience. Who is your audience? Is it a large group? Is it a small group? Is it a specialized group? Is it a generalized group? What kind of audience is it that you want to curate for? Very, very important. And then what is the subject matter? Because the subject matter is critical. Someone calls to say, hi, we want you to facilitate a session for us on finance with a group of bankers who are about to retire and start their own business. We're looking at about 30 of them. So you see, there's already a description of your audience. So you need to know your audience. What is their demography, their psychography? Get as much information as possible about your audience, because we are not just going there to talk. You also must give them maybe case studies, examples, and illustrations that are relevant to the objectives of the session. So it's very important that you research your audience, get detailed information about your audience, as much detail as possible. Sometimes organizers may not share with you details about the audience, but it's your duty to try and know who they are so that you can prepare for them properly. Once you are sure what the audience is, clarify the objectives. What we want to achieve by the end of this session, whether it's a large session, whether it's a small session, whether it's an intimate session, whether it's even a one-on-one. Always be clear on objectives and state the objectives at the beginning of the session, because whatever content you curate will be based on the objectives. The third thing is the structure. What is the structure of the session that you want to facilitate? How long will it take? Is it 1 hour? Is it 2 hours? Is it a formal setting? Is it an informal setting? Are you the only one speaking? Are you speaking with others? Are there guidelines? Is it part of a program, or is it standalone program? Are you going to do it online? Are you going to do it in person? You need to know. What structure is this going to take? And then what are the resources available? What are the resources available? First, to you as the facilitator, and then to the audience, what would they have that can help your facilitation session? It's very important for you to ask those questions. And then which platform are you using? Are you using a physical platform? Is it an online platform? Is it a pre-recorded session? Or is it a live online session? Is it a podcast? Is it a video, a vlog? Is it a video presentation? How is it going to be delivered? Is it going to be delivered on one platform or multiple platforms? You need to know. And then which format is it going to take? Is it a lecture? Is it an event? Is it a brainstorming session? You need to know how you are going to format it. what are you going to be doing? So it's very important for you to know your audience, know your objectives, know the structure, know the resource that you are going to be using, right? And also know the format. Another part of design is, what kind of session is it? What kind of session is it? And what is the purpose? I'll share more with you on this in the next session.